Transfer students transfer for a million different reasons, and there are no two that are exactly alike. If you're coming from another four-year school, if you're coming from a two-year school, if you're coming back to school after a long time away, we're here to help you with every detail, every step of the way. After you've looked into what credits might transfer and you're ready to begin the application process, if you have any questions at all, our admissions team is here to help. Once you're admitted, you'll be sent an admissions packet from the admissions office. In the meantime, you'll receive an email from admissions as well as a text from myself. As transfer coordinator, I like to reach out and let you know that you've been admitted, approximately how many semesters we think it'll take for you to graduate from UND. In addition, I will send information on how to claim your account, how to set up your UND email account, and how to get into Campus Connection so you can have the information moving forward. We'll continue to evaluate your credits, make sure we didn't miss anything at all, and then send that information on to your advisor. And your advisor will email you in your UND email account and set up a meeting so that they can get you going with what credits have transferred in, what courses we recommend you register for, and then mapping out your degree plan moving forward for your success here at UND. UND has many tools to help along the way. One tool specifically is Degree Map, which your advisor will work with you. It allows you to take a look at your degree plan as a whole here at UND and mapping out which courses you'll take each semester so that you've got a solid plan as to when you're going to graduate and how you're going to get there. We also have tools in place that allow you to reach out to your faculty members, to your advisor. You can schedule appointments online, you can see progress, you can send messages back and forth and communicate. It's also a great way to reach out to learning services and get any of that tutoring or learning services assistance that you might need. So no matter the reason you're looking at UND and looking to transfer to UND, we're here to help, definitely able to answer any of your questions that you might have. And if I don't know the answer, I'm definitely willing to find somebody who does.